Paragraph 1. The hidden nighttime problem. Men over 60 often wonder why their legs feel weaker every year, even though they try to stay active. The hidden culprit is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that accelerates with age. What most men don't realize is that sarcopenia doesn't just happen when you're awake. It continues silently, even while you sleep. Every night, if your body doesn't have the right fuel, your muscles can break down instead of rebuilding. This silent nighttime muscle loss is one of the main reasons why so many older men wake up feeling weaker, stiffer, or less stable than the day before. But here's the good news. If you eat the right type of night protein, you can actually stop sarcopenia in its tracks while you sleep and instead allow your muscles to repair, recover, and come back stronger by morning. Paragraph 2. Why sleep and protein matter after 60. After age 60, your body processes protein differently than it did in your 20s or 30s. You need more protein to stimulate the same muscle repair. And since your body does most of its repairing during deep sleep, what you eat before bed becomes critical. If you go to sleep without enough high-quality protein, your body will pull from your muscles during the night, weakening them further. That's why men who skip a nighttime protein source often notice shrinking muscles, weaker grip, and thinner legs. By giving your body the right amino acids before bed, you can flip the switch from muscle breakdown to muscle building, even while you're resting. This is one of the most powerful yet overlooked strategies in senior health. Paragraph 3. Food number 1. Casein protein, slow digesting dairy. The first nighttime food I recommend is casein protein, found in dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a casein protein shake. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein releases amino acids slowly over several hours. That means as you sleep, your muscles continue receiving a steady supply of nutrients, preventing breakdown and encouraging growth. In clinical studies, men who consumed casein before bed showed improved muscle protein synthesis overnight. I had a 67-year-old patient, Frank, who started eating a small bowl of cottage cheese at night. Within 3 months, he noticed his legs felt stronger when climbing stairs, and his balance improved. Casein is a simple but highly effective way to protect your muscles as you age. Paragraph 4. Food number 2. Tryptophan-rich turkey. Another powerful nighttime food is turkey. Turkey is high in tryptophan, an amino acid that not only helps with muscle repair but also promotes better sleep by boosting melatonin production. Sleep quality is just as important as protein intake, because deep, restful sleep is when most muscle recovery occurs. Many older men struggle with insomnia or restless nights, which further accelerates muscle loss. By including a small portion of turkey in the evening, perhaps as part of a light dinner, you get both high-quality protein and the added benefit of deeper sleep. I recall one patient, John, 72, who began eating turkey slices with whole grain crackers before bed. He not only reported stronger legs after 2 months but also said he slept through the night for the first time in years. Paragraph 5. Food number 3. Eggs before bed. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources available, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. Eating a boiled egg or 2 in the evening is an excellent strategy for men over 60. Eggs also contain leucine, a critical amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. One of my patients, Richard, 70, who had been losing noticeable muscle in his thighs, added 2 boiled eggs to his nightly snack. Within weeks, he felt more stable on his morning walks. His legs no longer felt like they were giving out, and he regained confidence. Eggs are affordable, simple, and one of the most reliable foods to fight sarcopenia. Paragraph 6. Food number 4. Almonds and nuts. Nuts, especially almonds, are a great nighttime option. They contain not only protein but also magnesium, which helps relax muscles and promote deeper sleep. Magnesium deficiency is common in older men and often contributes to cramps, restless legs, and poor recovery. By eating a handful of almonds before bed, you give your muscles both the protein and the minerals they need to stay strong and relaxed through the night. I've seen men who switched from sugary snacks to nuts at night report fewer leg cramps and better balance during the day. This simple swap can make a significant difference in muscle preservation. Paragraph 7. Food number 5. Fish, salmon or tuna. Fish like salmon or tuna are excellent evening meals because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids along with high-quality protein. Omega-3s fight inflammation, which is a hidden factor behind accelerated muscle loss. They also improve circulation, ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen they need overnight. A 69-year-old patient of mine, George, who struggled with sore, weak legs, started eating salmon twice a week for dinner. Over time, he noticed not just stronger legs but also less joint stiffness. Fish is a dual-benefit food. It strengthens muscle while reducing inflammation, helping older men feel younger and more capable. Paragraph 8. Patient story. Tom's transformation. I'd like to share a story of Tom, a 74-year-old retired engineer. When Tom first came to me, he complained that he felt like he was shrinking. His pants were looser, his legs were thinner, and he worried about falling. He admitted he often went to bed with nothing more than a cup of tea. After we introduced a nightly protein snack, Greek yogurt with berries, everything changed. Within 2 months, Tom's strength tests improved. He could rise from a chair without using his hands, and his walking speed increased. More importantly, he felt proud again. Proud that he wasn't losing his independence. His wife even commented that he looked younger. That's the power of nighttime protein. Paragraph 9. Why consistency is key. One of the most important things I want you to understand is that consistency matters more than intensity. Eating protein once in a while before bed won't stop sarcopenia, but making it a nightly habit will. Think of it as brushing your teeth. You don't skip it because you know it prevents problems down the road. Nighttime protein is the same. By making it part of your routine, you'll see gradual but powerful changes in strength, energy, and confidence. Many men in their 60s and 70s who start this routine feel as though they've turned back the clock. Paragraph 10. The emotional impact of muscle loss. Let's pause for a moment and talk about why this matters emotionally. Losing leg strength isn't just about muscles, it's about independence. Every step you take represents freedom. The ability to get up from a chair, walk to the mailbox, or climb stairs without fear is priceless. Too many men wait until it's too late, when they already need a cane or walker. But you don't have to accept that path. By fueling your muscles at night, you protect your independence, your confidence, and your ability to live life on your own terms. That's what we're really fighting for. Consistency matters more than intensity. Eating protein once in a while before bed won't stop sarcopenia, but making it a nightly habit will. Think of it as brushing your teeth. You don't skip it because you know it prevents problems down the road. Nighttime protein is the same. By making it part of your routine, you'll see gradual but powerful changes in strength, energy, and confidence. Many men in their 60s and 70s who start this routine feel as though they've turned back the clock. Paragraph 10. The emotional impact of muscle loss. Let's pause for a moment and talk about why this matters emotionally. Losing leg strength isn't just about muscles, it's about independence. Every step you take represents freedom. The ability to get up from a chair, walk to the mailbox, or climb stairs without fear is priceless. Too many men wait until it's too late, when they already need a cane or walker. But you don't have to accept that path. By fueling your muscles at night, you protect your independence, your confidence, and your ability to live life on your own terms. That's what we're really fighting for.